Alright, welcome back. Today we're working on Rachel, the 79 280ZX, and we have a flat tire. So I just have to put some new wheels and tires on it, right? That's what you do when you get a flat tire. You just replace all the wheels and tires. So let's do it. Look at these fancy things. Oh, and it is Mucky Monday, so it's raining. Alright, so what we're working with is a conversion adapter. And this will convert your 4-lug to a 5-lug bolt pattern. Now, I don't really like using these because you always have to make sure they're torqued down really well. Like, you should be checking them every time you do an oil change, for sure. Loctite really helps, since we're not going to be putting Loctite right now, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to take these off and do some brake work or something like that. Alright, you do have to pay attention to the holes and where they go. Try not to get frass all over the place. Oh my goodness. Now this is a 2-inch spacer, which I think is fine for if you're doing like a 17x7 or 7-inch wide wheel. If you do something wider, you'll probably want to go like 1.5 inches. Otherwise it'll stick out too far. Alright, I think these tires are directional rotation. We have new lug nuts. Alright, so another thing on these cheap lug nuts, the anodizing or the coating or whatever they use is not real great. So you want to keep in mind that when you use these, that you're not going to want to take them on and off and on and off and on and off. Otherwise, you're going to just eat the coating right off of it. It's kind of annoying how they individually wrap every single one, but I guess that's good for preserving them. Shelf life, maybe. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! They give me a bad one. There's not even any threads in this thing. Great. You see that? Hopefully you can see that. There's no threads. Of course, I bought these like over a year ago, so I doubt there's going to be any type of warranty. Gotta get the blue valve stem caps. Look at that. And of course, since it's raining, everything's dirty. We're out in the grass. Losing my stuff. Right here. Now, really, you want to get in here with like a wire brush and clean all that off. But like I said, this is temporary, so I can get it rolling around the shop. This one's rusted all to hell, and this one's all balled up, you can't even use it. We should be able to clean that rust off. And the thread pitch on these is 12 by 1.25. Same with the outside ones. I made sure to get the same ones this time. On my other Z, I didn't do that. Okay. Now, if you don't have a thread chaser, then what you can do is you can take your old lug nut, if it's just a little rusty, you know. If it's really rusty, you just gotta fix it the right way. If it's only a little rusty, put some penetrant on there, run it down, run it out. Do that a few times. Get those threads all cleaned off. Now the Loctite will also help keep the corrosion down. So these are steel, and this is aluminum. You got two dissimilar metals, so you want to put some type of Loctite coating on there to keep them from fusing together. But like I said, this is only going to be on here for like I'm just smearing the mud around. Oh, we'll wash this. Well, the rain will wash it here pretty soon. Ugh. Much better. Can you guys even see the front? Yeah. Yeah. If you ever get a heavy duty floor mat for your SUV, it's great for working out in the shop. You know, I actually tried selling these wheels. Nobody wanted them. Good thing I didn't sell them because I need them now. Oh, this is a step up from cardboard, playing on cardboard. I don't know if I should put the 3 blues and the 2 chromes, or leave all chrome so it doesn't look funny. I'll order some more blues. So now when you're done, roll your stuff on there and drag it out of the way. Alright, so now let's look at Fitment. Why does this thing toad out so much? Now, the rear of the car will go down when you roll it back and forth, because this suspension is like a trailing arm, so it goes like that. So when you raise it up, it gets stuck and it can't push itself out. So when you roll it back and forth, it'll make that go down. Maybe I'll do that real quick so you guys can actually see it. Work? Maybe. We'll see on camera, I guess. I think that was a full revolution. Of course, the Z sitting on stock, stressing everything, so it might be higher than I'm used to. All right, Fitment. Let's look at Fitment. Okay. 2-inch spacer, 17 by 7, and I believe these are a plus 40. Oh, I better actually figure that out before I post this video. But it's tucked in a little bit, you know. You're not sticking out, you're not doing anything crazy. So works out pretty good. And look, our brake light's stuck on. Great. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something and enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you very much.